Welcome to day 8 of my 30-day challenge to go from 0 to 10K with Amazon advertising my KDP books. So let's see how we did yesterday. Alright, let's go to reports. I created a new ad for the journal, so now that's up. Okay, so we had no sales yesterday or this morning. 36. Hey, they took away money. It was at 37. I'm not sure what happened. Okay. At 36, still a long way to go. Let's go over to the marketing side. Let's see how we did. Alright, so our impressions went up, but no sales. Let's see. Oh, right here, the journal. No, top of search. No movement there, so I'm gonna have to go into each of these and change them now. The manual one, I'm gonna have to probably go through it off camera because there's a lot of keywords, so that one I'll have to do after the video. But for now, we can do all these ones. So journal. Let's go 33 cents. So one cool thing I learned is you don't need to create a new campaign if you have new items. You can add items to the old campaign, and you can also add keywords. I'm still going through with the keyword search. It's a lot. It's very intense. I changed up a few on the journals. I'm gonna go through the kids book. I believe I did the credit one. Yeah, the kids book, I gotta throw in some new keywords as well. So I did those two. Yeah, so we hit the 1 week mark. Nothing. So let's see here. So 29 cents will be 32 cents. So there's the kids book. So again, if you guys are finding this helpful, inspirational, motivational, whatever, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Once I figure out this formula, I will be glad to release this to you guys and let you know how to increase your sales. What I'm coming across now for a lot of the videos, it's very repetitive now, and I feel the main thing that everybody is saying is to make sure that you have the right keywords set up. Keywords, whether it's in the description where you're just uploading the book and you get the 7 keywords and phrases. So either or, you can use any of those. Or if you're using ads, then the words that make sense for your book. So okay, so all these are done except the manual one, so I'll come back to it. Let's see if we have any traction on the Canadian side. And do we have movement? No, still no movement. Wow, Canada's tough. Should try the UK. See if they show me some love over there, you know? Okay, so let's change this ad setting. So at 20 minutes, go to 30. Let's go to 32. So we'll change that to 32. Good to go on that one. I'll go to my next campaign. So let's increase this budget. Yeah, the Canadian side's really hard to figure out. Let's go 28 on this one. 28 cents. Yeah, so the moment we start seeing some traction, then we'll be able to drill down to see what keywords are popping up. So here, nothing available. So until we start seeing some clicks or some impressions, then this will fill up. So once we get that, then we can go a bit deeper. Let's see if we can see what it looks like on the state side, since there's some traction going on. Let's see. Let's try this one first. So no data available. So that we can't use. Let's do this one. See if there's any words that are popping up. So this one had 7 impressions. Let's see search terms. Nothing. Okay. I feel like we're not going to see any traction until we get to maybe next week. Or we will really increase the budget, get closer to like $1. Let's see search terms. So this has 2, but no movement. Okay. And this didn't change. Okay, so this hasn't changed, which is weird. So I'm gonna have to go through all these and change them now. Oh boy. Yep, okay, so I'm gonna go through these and change them. Hopefully that makes a difference. But then I realized that it wasn't working. Okay, so I'm gonna change all these. And then tomorrow I will update you guys to see if this has made any difference. If you're finding these videos helpful, or you have any tips or tricks that you can let me know about, leave it in the comments below, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow.